Hi, my name is Dan Purgett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this pre-owned 2006 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer. As you can see, this boat is in great condition. It's been detailed. There's an extra cushion here that does pop out in case somebody wants to sit with their feet down. There's an extra backrest that snaps in and out. Nice lounger. This boat only has 460 hours on it. Not a lot of hours at all. Down here in the cabin. Go down here. Got a nice kitchen area with a stove, stovetop. You have a refrigerator, microwave, and your sink. You have a nice kind of lounging area here with a table, as well as turning that into a sleeper or bed. Have an extra area here underneath for laying out or storage, and then a bathroom. Again, this boat is very clean. It does come with a trailer. It's in great shape. Stop by Rogers, Minnesota, MarineMax, right off 94 to check it out. And again, my name is Dan Purgett, and look forward to hearing from you.